Blessed, blessed, blessed. Yeah, man. Yardie Mixup. Yeah, man. A greetings, me saying, and big up to everyone. Yeah. So, right now, today we're going to jump in a topic where me I can tell you, say, don't be afraid. No matter what the situation you may see yourself in, don't be afraid. You understand what I say? You have to just look into yourself and know, say, guess what, go on. No matter what go on, even though you don't see a way out, a way a go come. You understand what I say? And enough of us, what we do is we sit down in the corner and we keep ourselves in the dark and we don't want to step out in the light. People, let me tell you something. Come out of that comfort zone there. Come out of that comfort zone. A time to step out in the light. Wanna have some plans and some things we wanna want to put forward, but I'm afraid to make this step. Listen, a time to motivate yourself. Tell yourself, say, guess what? You can't do everything one time, you know. Step by step, little by little. You understand what I say? You have to do it little by little. So you take one step at a time, like a baby learning to walk. When they find out that they can walk, you know, see what they do, they start run. Well, it's the same thing. You have to go and make one step, and then now you can get to make another step. Then when you start to make step now, you can start run. Then after you start run and fly, you fly. You understand what I say? So, when you have to just looking into yourself and stop making yourself feel down and feel like you're just guilty, and ask forgiveness. Clear up your mind and ask forgiveness, and believe that when you ask forgiveness, your forgiveness, you will forget forgiveness. Clear up your aura feel. Make that blessing pour upon you. You understand what I say? Remember, you know, man, everything on earth here is for us, you know. But it's you if you just know, say, you have to stay positive and take your part. Because your part will come. You just have to believe that and know. You understand what I say? And don't doubt yourself. Because when you doubt yourself, you put yourself down. You understand what I say? That means you don't love yourself. You have to motivate yourself. You understand what I say? Good vibes to do all these things is good meditation. A meditation not have to be an hour. It can be 5 minutes. It can be a minute. It can be 30 seconds. But throughout the day, you tap in little bit and give meditation and clear your feel, man, and free up yourself, man, and you understand what I say? And not make nothing hold you down. You understand what I say, people? Because of that I go on, you know. Not for wake up, a time for wake up. You understand what I say? When I have some symptoms and all of these things when I feel and things. A time for let go the old energy and bring in the new. You understand what I say? Eat healthier. You understand what I say? Stay more focused. You understand? If you're not drink 10 bottle of rum, here we you do. Cut it down to 6, cut it down to 5, cut it down to 3. And you take your time. Tell your mind, say, listen, you have to do these things. You have to stay conscious. You understand what I say? New levels with the panel now. You understand? The old program are fade with a new program are coming. You understand what I say? So you have to just know, say, just focus and be positive and give thanks. You understand what I say? And just feel joyful. And just know, say, look here. Don't worry about where it going come from. It going come. You understand what I say? And just have that faith and know, say, it going come. And have no doubt behind it. You can't doubt yourself. You understand what I say? So I just want to go now and meds pan that for me to know how to elevate on yourself and reprogram on yourself and set on yourself and step out there. You understand what I say? You're not better than me and I'm not better than you. You understand what I say? The same thing I have, you have. We all have the same blessings. But some of us just cover it up and hide it and don't know how to go about it. You understand what I say? You have to start from forgiving yourself and love yourself, man. How you love yourself? You're gonna say, yes, me love myself. But how you really love yourself? Because guess what? You love yourself on a physical level. You understand what I say? When you say you love yourself, you say, I tell yourself, say you love yourself on a physical level. Go inside of you, man, the spiritual child. You understand? The pure energy. You understand what I say? That child, the within child within you. The child that hide behind your body. That's the child. Give him some love. Love you. You understand what I say? And once you do that, your connection will start come back together. You will start feel the way how you want to feel at all the times. You understand what I say? And that's why I say meditation is also good on this level, because it opens up your mind and your thoughts. Thoughts are very powerful. When you thought about things, be careful what you thought and let it out there, because it will come back at you. You understand? So if you thought about, yo, some people this and some people that and them just this, and whatever you send out, it come back. Why you don't send out some positive thoughts? I want to have a house. I want to have a car. I am gonna have a car. I am gonna have a house. I am gonna have money. I am happy. Tell yourself these things. Send out positive flow, and positive flow come back. You understand what I say? Yeah. Anyway, just a quick brief on that one. So I say Yardie Mixup. Yeah. Blessed.